Saving money in high school can set a strong financial foundation for the future. I wish I was doing it in high school. Here are some effective strategies. So start by creating a budget. Track your income from allowances, part-time jobs, or gifts, and list your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Limit impulse purchases. Before buying something, wait 24 hours to determine if it's necessary or if it's just a little feeling. Look for discounts. Many stores offer student discounts, so always ask before you make a purchase. Utilize apps and websites that also aggregate discounts for students. Okay? Consider working part-time or doing freelance work for extra money. It'll really help you save while gaining valuable experience. Avoid eating out frequently. Prepare meals or snacks from home because it's very cheap compared to eating out and healthier for you. You'll even live longer than buying food on the go, you know? Now, use public transportation or carpool with friends when you can to save cost on travel. If you have access to a bike, it can be a cost-efficient and healthy option, okay? Finally, opening a savings account, all right? To keep your money secure and earn interest. Set specific savings goals, whether it's for a desired future education or for whatever it is, to stay motivated, okay? By implementing these strategies, you can effectively save money throughout your high school years.